Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to make a white background using the pen tool in Photoshop. I am going to the Photoshop menu bar window option and choose Paths and created new paths. Choose pen tool icon or you press P on the keyboard. Now I created a clip out of the product. Right click and choose to make a selection. And clicked on the mask icon from the layer panel. We choose a solid color and made a white background. Drag the white layer and I am going to rename background layer. If you wanna change another color, then click on the background layer. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.